All right, so to answer this question, we're going to use a formula: acceleration. Acceleration equals radius with square. Let me see. So it will be your A, the acceleration of A over acceleration of B equals radius A with A square over radius B with B squared. This equals 4.7 equals 2.4 squared radius A over radius B. So we're just gonna divide to find our radius. To find the radius of particle A to that of particle B, we're just gonna divide 2.4 squared. 2.4 squared. These two will cancel out, so you have RA over RB equals 4.7 over 2.4 squared, which comes out to 0.815. So the answer to this question is E, 0.8.